close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much. How are you doing? I hope you're good. My name is Glory Tui and welcome to my channel. In today's video guys, I'll be showing you how I braid this kinky hair. This is the package, and in the package this is how it looks like. This is one piece, the length of this kinky hair. And I also use yarn to style my hair, and directly I start by dividing or parting my hair. So after I part my hair, I take one piece and I make sure one length is beautiful more than other. So I trim a little that other side looks not so beautiful, and then I divide my hair into two. Then I bend this kinky hair a little just to make it easy to hold it with my natural hair. And then I attach it on my natural hair in the middle. And after that I take a yarn and I start to grab from the roots. I didn't grab too many times, but I didn't count. So after I feel like this is enough, then I separate my natural hair with kinky, and then I start twist. I twist my natural hair, then I twist just a normal twist with this kink hair, and I continue to twist till I finish my natural hair. Then I twist it 2 times more with yarn, and after that I secure this hair. How I secure? The first time I tie these 2 yarn together. Just like this. And the second time I separate this yarn. Then I tie the other side, and after that I take scissors and I trim this excess yarn. And this is how the hair looks like. I love this hair guys, look very natural and it's very light. Second section I repeat the same thing. I trim off some excess hair into my kink hair. Not all hair I trim off. Have some in the beginning if the hair looks short I didn't trim, but if look too long I trim a little. Then I take the yarn and I start twist. After I feel like I twist enough and I secure the kink hair enough, I separate the kink hair with my natural hair, and then I began twist. I twist till I finish my natural hair, and then I tie twice. The first time I tied 2 yarn together, while the second one I separate the yarn and I tie them together at the side. Have other braiding I pull a little bit up immediately after I finish twist my hair, but have other braiding I didn't pull up because I was trying to find if have a huge difference between the braiding I pull a little up and those I didn't pull, but I find out no big difference. So I decide to continue braiding without pull up because that is more fast compared with those braiding I pull a little up. Hair is very light guys, it's very light. and I never tried to braid this length before, never, but this is my first time, and I find I'm in love with this hair because it's very light and it's very easy to style. So even if the hair is very long, after finish braiding I find the hair is on my belt. I was exciting and very happy, and yes, I love this hair, guys. I love it. It's very light, and the country I am is summertime, so I feel like it's okay, not too much. And to complete my head, I use 1.5 bundle, but you can see I braid small section, so if I use bigger section, maybe I will use only 1 bundle. So guys, in 1 bundle in this hair is a lot. It's a lot. If you want bigger section, you can use only 1 bundle or even less than 1 bundle, but if you want small, there you can use 1 bundle or more than 1 bundle, like me. Guys, have you subscribed to my channel? If not yet, kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss anything when I upload the video.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go.
Here we are, guys. I'm done with braiding. So the next is I put oil in this small bottle, any kind of oil, not specific, anyone you would like to use. Then I make sure I apply in all section, and I apply the oil because my scalp is very easy itching, so after I apply this I will not feel itching. So after I finish apply, I go ahead and massage my head. In back section, I use my fingers to feel the section and apply oil. And after I finish apply, I go ahead and massage my head for 1 minute, and then I move to edges. I go ahead and style my edges using Gorilla Snot gel. So after I finish apply gel, guys, I take the scarf and I cover my hair for a very short time, maybe 10 minutes. I didn't count. Then I do my makeup. And guys, this is the final result for today's video. This is the length of the hair. You can see it's very long. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you get something. If yes, kindly subscribe and give this video a thumb up. I love you guys and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.